Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss 3 unique and best ways to write a high scoring introduction. आज की वीडियो में हम वो 3 बेहतरीन तरीके सीखेंगे जिनके जरिए बहुत अच्छा इंट्रोडक्टरी पैराग्राफ लिखा जा सकता है और इन 3 तरीकों के इस्तेमाल से बहुत अच्छे नंबर हासिल किए जा सकते हैं. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. So, what is an introductory paragraph of an essay or a specific written piece? An introduction is typically the first paragraph of your paper. The goal of your introduction is to let your reader know what he or she can expect from your paper. While there is one best formula for writing a good introduction, we are going to discuss them. And don't forget to observe and note these best 3 ways for writing introductory paragraphs which can give you highest grades in your exams. There are 3 ways to write an excellent introduction. First way is to always attract your reader's attention. First way is to always attract your reader's attention. For that purpose, begin your introduction with a hook that grabs your reader's attention and introduces the general topic. We will discuss some ways which are beneficial for creating excellent hook for the introductory paragraph. With a hook, you will start your introduction. First way is to state an interesting fact or statistic about your topic. हुक कोई भी दिलचस्प फैक्ट या स्टैटिस्टिक्स हो सकता है जो आपके टॉपिक से मुताल्लिक हो. सेकेंड वे इज टू आस्क अ रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन. दूसरा तरीका जिसके जरिए रीडर्स की तवज्जो हासिल की जा सकती है वो है कोई भी तवज्जो तलब सवाल करें. थर्ड वे इज टू रिवील अ कॉमन मिसकंसेप्शन अबाउट योर टॉपिक. तीसरा तरीका जिसके जरिए आप रीडर्स की तवज्जो हासिल कर सकते हैं वो है कि अपने ऐसे या क्वेश्चन टॉपिक के रिलेटेड कोई भी मिसकंसेप्शन जो है उसका खुलकर इजहार करें ताकि ऑडियंस को नई मालूमात हासिल हो सकें और वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ने में दिलचस्पी लें. फोर्थ वे इज टू सेट द सीन ऑफ योर स्टोरी. हु, व्हेन, वेयर, व्हाट, व्हाई एंड हाउ. चौथा तरीका जिसके ज़रिए कैची इंट्रोडक्शन का आगाज़ किया जा सकता है वो है कि किसी कहानी के पस मंज़र से शुरू करें कि कोई भी शख्स या चीज़ क्या है और कौन था और कोई भी बात कब और कहाँ हुई, कैसे और कहाँ हुई. Fifth way is to share an anecdote which is a humorous short story that captures your topic. पांचवा तरीका यह है कि किसी भी एनेक्डोट से इंट्रोडक्शन का आगाज करें. ये एनेक्डोट कोई भी मज़ाहिया कहानी हो सकती है जो मौजू को 4 चांद लगा सकती है. Second way to write a high scoring introduction is to state your focus topic. After your hook, write a sentence or 2 about the specific focus of your paper. What is your paper about? Why is this topic important? This part of the introduction can include background information on your topic that helps to establish its context. जब भी हुक लिख लें तो उसके बाद जो आपका मौजू है उस पर फोकस करें और उससे मुताल्लिक 2 या 3 लाइंस लिखें जिसमें बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन आती है, जिसमें मौजू के मुतालिक बताया जा सकता है और मौजू की अहमियत पर जोर दिया जा सकता है. Third way to write a high scoring introduction is to state your thesis statement in the end. Finally, include your thesis statement. The kind of thesis you include depends on the type of paper you are writing, but in general, your thesis should include your specific topic, यानी आपके thesis statement में आपका खास मौजू का जिक्र शामिल होता है. Secondly, your thesis statement would include your main points about that topic. Thesis statement में आपके मौजू के अहम नुकात शामिल होते हैं. Thirdly, the points of discussion you will include in your paper would also be included in your thesis statement. यानी थीसिस स्टेटमेंट में आपके मौजू के मुतालिक वो नुकात भी शामिल होंगे जिनको आप आगे ज़ेरे बहस लाएंगे। थीसिस स्टेटमेंट एक ही जुमले में तमाम ऐसे या रिसर्च पेपर की मुख्तसर समरी होती है जिसको पढ़कर रीडर्स पूरे ऐसे को अच्छे से समझ जाते हैं कि इसमें राइटर ने क्या कुछ डिस्कस किया है। थीसिस स्टेटमेंट हमेशा इंट्रोडक्शन की आखिरी लाइन होती है। Now we will discuss an example of introductory paragraph so that you can easily understand the concepts. For example, if our essay is related to climate change, then we can start our introduction with a hook. A hook can be a fact as well. So we have started our introduction here with a fact, which is climate change is one of the most important challenges of humankind in this century. After that, we will include the background information because we have to focus on the topic of climate change. So we will include the definition here, which is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change defines climate change as a change in the state of the climate that can be identified by using statistical tests which persist for an extended period, typically decades or longer. Further, we will include second sentence here. The concept of climate change has been around for quite a while. Then we will include the third sentence, which is the earliest mention of climate change dates back to the 19th century. Further, we can also include a reference here, which is Swedish scientist Svante Arrhenius was the first scientist to study the effect of carbon dioxide on climate change. We have cited Roth et al. 1997. So we will also include it in brackets here. In the end, we will include our thesis statement, which is climate change today is one of the biggest concerns of human beings on the planet, and the effects of climate change are undeniable, which may cause environmental, social and economic threats to the planet. Always note that we will include thesis statement in the end of the paragraph. If you follow this structure of introductory paragraph, then I guarantee you that you will get higher scores in your exams. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.